Have you ever been unsure of when to use the word rise and raise in a sentence? Let me help you out. Rise is a verb that means to ascend or move upward. For example, the sun rises in the east. While raise is also a verb that means to lift up or to cause something to increase. For example, I raised my hand to ask the question. When you want to talk about something moving up or ascending in the air, use the word rise. But if you want to talk about something being lifted or increasing, use the word raise. The main difference between rise and raise is that raise requires someone to do something for something else to happen. Let's go back to our previous example. I raised my hand to ask a question. Notice that someone, which is I, did something to lift up the hand. And when we use rise, it is either something that just happens naturally or the result of some other event. Like in our example, the sun rises in the east. Notice that there is no one doing anything for the sun to ascend in the east. Let's look at a few more examples. The teacher raised her voice to get the students' attention. Someone, which is the teacher in the sentence, caused the voice to increase in volume. That's why we use raise. Another example, Mary raised her eyebrows in surprise. Again, someone, which is Mary, is the cause of the eyebrows being lifted. The temperature rises as the day progresses. Here we use rise since nothing is causing the temperature to increase. This is a natural occurrence. The same with the price gas has risen dramatically in the past year. No one is causing the price to go up. It just happened. Okay, let's practice. Choose between raise and rise to complete the following sentences. Take note of the tense use. You may pause this video to answer. What do you think is the answer for number 1? The answer is rose. The singer rose to fame quickly. Number 2. The answer is raised. The team raised their game to a higher level. Now number 3. The answer is rises. The cost of gas rises significantly every year. How about in number 4? The answer is rose. The temperature rose steadily throughout the day. And in number 5, the answer is raised. The company raised its prices for the holiday season. Another confusing words in English writing are lie and lay. In this video, we will be looking at the difference between these two words and how to use them correctly in a sentence.